Bimini positions. Stowed position. The stowed position is for trailering or towing. The radar position. The radar position is for water use. Open position. The open position is for water use only. Note: front and rear stanchions have been set per the manufacturer specifications and do not need to be adjusted. Do not depress locking pins on these stanchions. Stowed position to radar position. Push the locking pin on the rear bow and push up on the bow assembly to lock into place. Repeat for the opposite side. Unbuckle the boots on both sides. Unzip and remove the boot. Push the rear bow assembly up from the middle until it locks in on each side on the locking pins into the radar position. Radar position to open position. Pull the front bow forward until fully open. Pull down on the front bow, only applying load on the bow and not on the front stanchion as shown. Repeat this for the opposite side. Opened position to stowed position. Pull the front bow down to release pressure on the locking pin. Depress the locking pin and push up on the front bow to release the position. Repeat this for the opposite side. Push the front bow back until it's vertical. Push the center bow back until it rests on the rear bow. Push the locking pin in rear bow on each side to lower down to the stowed position. Reinstall the boot cover. Zip the boot on to the frame assembly. Buckle the boot on both sides.